The United Arab Emirates continues to grapple with the aftermath of a record-breaking storm that swept through the region earlier this week, bringing much of the country to a standstill. In Dubai, operations at the airport, a major travel hub, remained disrupted after Tuesday's storm flooded the runway, leading to flight diversions, delays, and cancellations. Despite efforts to restore normalcy, the airport is still facing challenges. While inbound flights at Terminal 1, used by foreign carriers, have resumed, ongoing disruptions persist, causing further delays for travelers. Emirates, the largest carrier at the airport, has announced a delay in resuming passenger check-in until 9 a.m. local time on Thursday, citing the need for additional preparation time. Stranded passengers have faced difficulties accessing food and accommodations, with nearby roads blocked by floodwaters and overcrowding exacerbating the situation. The storm, which originated in Oman before hitting the UAE, caused widespread flooding, leading to gridlock on roads and trapping residents in homes and offices. Tragically, casualties have been reported in both countries. Authorities have issued advisories for government employees and students to stay home as efforts to clear waterlogged roads are underway. Climate experts attribute the intensity of the storm to rising global temperatures driven by human-induced climate change. They warn of increased risks of extreme weather events, including flooding, in regions like the Gulf where infrastructure may be insufficient to handle such challenges. Meanwhile, the UAE government agency responsible for cloud seeding, a technique aimed at enhancing rainfall, has denied conducting any operations before the storm. In response to the crisis, President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan has ordered authorities to assess the damage and provide support to affected families, underscoring the government's commitment to addressing the aftermath of the disaster. As the UAE works to recover from the impact of the unprecedented storm, attention turns to bolstering resilience against future weather-related challenges in the region.